Students have busy lives. They're parents, they're caretakers, they're leaders in their industry and their place of employment, and they need a master's program that can respond to that need to have flexibility. My name is Matt Trombley. I am the current director of the Master of Business Administration program in the Herberger Business School at St. Cloud State University. This is my student building manager name tag from Atwood Center from back when I was a student at St. Cloud State. I'm an alum twice over of St. Cloud State, and careers are funny things. If you would have told me when I was a student helping on nights and weekends in Atwood that I would still be here on campus maybe almost 30 years later, I never would have believed you. I think when I think about the MBA program, I think a lot about our faculty and staff and their dedication to students. I'm really lucky to work with a really talented group of faculty members who have undergone a really tough process in the last year of re-examining their curriculum, refreshing things, to deliver it into an online space, to not just make them good online classes, but try to make them great classes and continue to improve upon them. So the programs that we offer within the idea of a Master of Business Administration is that general business master's degree that everybody kind of knows means a mark of business acumen, the MBA. But we have concentrations within there to make the MBA customizable to business needs, to personal needs of students. If I could be an animal for the day, I think I'd be an eagle. And here's why. First of all, majestic creature. I like to be outdoors a little bit, and the eagle can fly around and survey everything. They can see far off and maybe be strategic about where they want to go and what they want to do. And on a good day, they might be able to go catch a fish, which in real life is something I like to do as well. And our MBA programs at St. Cloud State allow students to take the program on online, in person, a hybrid mix of both, as quickly as 10 months or as long as a couple of years if that's what your program path and your life dictates. It's rigorous, it's relevant, it meets the needs of business leaders for tomorrow, and we're happy to talk to any student about attaining their MBA.